parts. This is a Tomei Type 80 Expreme TI. I just want to plug this real quick. I get all of my parts from SUBARU. SUBARU, thank you for helping me out to get literally my dream exhaust for this car. Check the pieces out. Oh my god, dude, it's so light.
It's crazy, right?
Dude, this is insane. So like I said, it's all titanium. So like normally you have an exhaust that's made of like stainless steel. It's pretty heavy, and it's obvious as to what's usually in the box. So like if you see these things here, you'll see it better in the muffler or in the tip. But these are like the pie cuts, and that's how they do the bends in titanium, because you can't just straight up bend titanium. It doesn't work like that.
It's too thin.
Yeah, so
it'll break.
it would just break. This is a better example. So that's how you get bends in titanium. You have to weld in pie cuts, and it's super nice because when they do the welding, all the welds turn blue when they get really hot. So eventually this exhaust might actually turn color or change color a little bit, right? Like when it gets hot, eventually. Hanger with a giant tip. Oh, dude, I can't wait to see it. It's gonna be so sick. Oh yes, the moment we've all been waiting for. Oh my god, dude, that is so sick. Holy crap, that is, look at how big that is, dude.
Put it next to your head.
Holy crap, dude. Look at the size of that tip. That is massive. And it says Expreme TI right here. I want to say this is a 4-inch or a 3.5. No, it's definitely 4. Wait, actually, is it bigger? How big is this? Yeah, 4.5 inch. That's nasty.
Just a little big.
Yeah, a little bit. Dude, this is gonna sound so nasty. That's fat.
Bye bye. Probably have to use 2 wrenches.
Yeah, that's
because it's like a weird situation.
Yeah.
There you go. Oops, sorry.
Damn, was it really that? Yeah. Alright. Simple?
Okay, I can hold this and then you get the hanger. I don't know if you'll be able to use it though.
Yep, yeah, it'll work. Nice. Dude, sweet. Dude, how thin do you think that pipe is right there? Like 2
Probably
inches?
2.5 inch,
Yeah.
or maybe 2. It's probably 2 inch at some parts. This is probably like 2.5. It's
A
gonna
lot.
drive a lot better too.
Yeah, like I'm hoping I can get more throttle response out of this too. Like, flow is gonna be a lot better.
Yeah, it'll just feel nicer on the exit, obviously. The
Yeah.
throttle response will still be meh.
Yeah, I guess I can't really fix that without a tune.
Without an intake.
Oh, an intake.
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
You'll
Alright.
get your most of your throttle response from that. Well, not a lot from a tune, but mainly an intake. You'll feel a lot.
Read it up.
Yo, look at this. It's for the stock exhaust.
Oh, is it just like a
I
flange?
don't,
thing?
yeah, that should slide inside that then, hopefully.
Yeah.
I wouldn't do the bolt yet.
It might go the other way. Yeah, it does.
Oh,
that's,
perfect.
That's how it goes, yeah.
Yeah.
Alright, so I'll get the gasket. Oh, the gasket can just sit. How convenient. Alright,
I'll try and like kind of hold it in place.
pipe is light enough to hold with one hand, and I'm just.
Oh, I see.
But it's still a little heavy, but. There we go. Alright.
Let's mock it up and slide it on and get it twisted, and then we'll take it off again, put the springs on the bench
Yeah, okay.
for that one.
Pretty sure this goes on like this.
So
Okay. We'll see if we need to bend another pipe. No, thank you. Alright. Yeah, so that's gonna fit like that. And then they warned me about tip fitment for this, but we need to just twist it.
I'm like fighting it right now. Is that normal?
Yeah, it's because you're pushing against the,
Bro, this is aggressive.
yeah?
Yeah.
Let me see. Oh, dude, that's fucking sick. Look at that. Yeah, it's pushing against the hanger right now, so you won't get up that much more.
Oh, I see. Let's see what you got on these things. I need this guy. Let me get a big towel.
Oh yeah, we're good. That was a lot easier than I thought it was gonna be. Yeah, these are super easy. Alright. Sick. Awesome. Alright.
Try and twist those straight. That might lead us to where we want to go. There you go.
Yeah.
I think that's probably where we're gonna want to.
Dude, name a better looking exhaust for any car, honestly.
Depends on your age and taste.
And your price range, I guess. But for this, I mean, like, I think these retail at like $11.50 or something. But I don't know. I think that's how far it's supposed to go, because like the hanger lines up.
Yeah. There it goes.
There you go. Okay, alright, so that's at least hanging. Yeah, there we go. So I can turn it like that. Oh, yeah.
Oh, yeah.
Yes.
Oh, yeah.
There you go.
Okay, now you need this boy. He's gonna go pling.
That rubber goes around the inside of that, right?
Yes, sir. On my STI, you can run this either way, so we gotta figure out on this car which way it goes. Because I had it on wrong for like
I would
a
assume
couple months.
the flat side goes against this,
Well,
right?
no, like this orientation of this hanger, like it could go like this or like this.
Oh, yeah.
We gotta figure out.
So it's two. Oh,
It
yeah,
looks
it's
like
two.
that.
Yeah. Here,
think
let's see if that'll even. Would it even fit there?
Maybe slide it on the other way just to double check.
Yeah. Good idea. Probably. I hope I was wrong. All right.
Oh, that's looking more like it.
Yeah. There we go. Okay.
That should lock you in.
Yep. Alright, you're good.
That's all you need to hold me.
And did the gasket sit? Oh, dude, the gasket sat perfect. Thank God. I was gonna say that'd be like mad annoying if we had to readjust it. It should be like that.
Yeah, it's on.
Is that on there?
Yeah.
Yeah. Alright, dude, this looks nasty. Alright, so we gotta tighten that all the way, and then put a couple more springs right here on that side, then tighten these bolts, and you should be good to go.
I'll try and get something to get up in there.
Yeah, this has been pretty smooth so far. I don't think I've ever had an install go this smooth before. Yeah, I mean, what is it, like 3 bolts and some springs, and even taking I mean, I know we got the lift and a lot of tools, but like still, it's super simple.
Whoa.
I almost punched myself with the...
That thing was trying to hit you.
Yeah. Here we go. Boom. Simple as that. Dude, that's so nice. I love how simple that was. I need to work these up though. Alright, so I'm dumb and I forgot.
We're both dumb.
Yeah, we forgot to put the clamps on. We thought it was just the springs, so there are 2 clamps that come with this exhaust. Don't forget to do that.
I blame it on us having to film it.
Yeah, true.
Got that one on tight?
Yeah, that one's on tight enough. There's no way that's going anywhere. So
I'll do the springs then.
way too many exhaust clamps.
Oh my, it's barely hanging on.
How did that just happen?
Where's my safety glasses at?
Bro, I'm standing back now. I don't want to get hit by that. You got that.
Alright, we're safe, we're safe. Whoa, Junior.
Huh?
You don't want to hang it that low. You want to
No?
You want to put this as high up as possible.
Really?
Because you're gonna scrape this, and if you scrape that off, you're not gonna be able to get the exhaust
That's a
off.
good point. Need a veteran to tell you knowledgeable things like that, or else I would have caused myself a big issue.
The little boys know. For you, are you gonna let me start it and you stand out back, or are you gonna start it and me stand out back?
No, I don't want to start it. You start it. I want to hear what my exhaust sounds like from the outside. Look at that thing, dude. Nasty. Let's drop it. I always get sketched out when I drop cars now, because one time when I was working on my old car in the old shop, I started to lower it and it was like one of them got stuck on the other side. It's so scary.
I lowered it and there was like a pole jack underneath and it crunched
dude,
part of a car or a truck. Not ideal.
Woo. Oh, dude, that is so sick.
What do they call it when you're bricked up?
Definitely, I'm definitely bricked up right now. That is so disgusting, dude. I love that.
Oh yeah. That's
Dude.
proper.
Dude, I'm so stoked right now. I literally can't believe that I have this on my car. Tomei didn't make a new exhaust for this car specifically. Like HKS did, Magnaflow did, and a couple other exhaust companies did, but Tomei went and just kept the exhaust from the old gen, so we were worried that the tip wasn't going to fit. But obviously it fits perfect, because that is...
I like that it's pointed up.
Yeah, like it has like that up
Yeah.
angle at it. Dude, that's so nasty. And you just barely see the TI poking out right there on the... Oh my god, this is so perfect. Your camera's going to start the car for me, because I want to hear...
Is the keys in it?
Oh, it's in my pocket here. There you go. Oh yeah, get a look at the SCI button and the shift knob in there. Yeah.
That's a nice unit right
Yeah,
there.
it feels nice. All right, dude. Give it a start.
Are we ready?
Send it.
Woo!
Yo, with headers, this is gonna be unbearable. Oh my god, dude. Yo, holy shit, dude.
All quiet.
Dude, and listen to the idle. It's so nice. Oh my god, it's perfect, bro.
Hilarious.
This is perfect.
I've done a lot of catbacks only, and 95% of them are underwhelming how quiet they are. This one is like way louder than I thought.
Oh my god, dude, that's nasty. Alright.
Trade me.
Yeah, trade you. Oh my god, this is perfect. This went so much better than I could have imagined. Perfect. Yeah, dude.
You're good. Keep going. Keep going. Keep going. Keep going.
Yo, it sounds like a Subaru now. So, like, I was gonna say I don't think anybody's put this exhaust on this car yet, but I've seen one person who has so far.
Really?
So we're not the first, but we're one of the few to have this exhaust on this car. Worth it.
It does fit.
All right, I'll give her a little rip. Right
This
here.
is a good spot.
Yo, it sounds perfect. It literally sounds perfect.
There you go. I was right at the light.
Oh
Give us a
my
little
god.
downshift.
Oh yeah, word. What?
Stock, dude.
What the hell, dude? This is nasty.
What the heck?
Dude, why is it popping like that? What the hell, dude?
There
This
is a
not-
cop over there, so just
Oh, word.
we'll go medium throttle.
Yeah. Just that normal driving. That perfect rumble, dude. This is like a dream. This is freaking crazy. Yeah. Thanks so much for helping me out,
Yeah,
dude.
dude.
I really appreciate it. And on your birthday. So happy birthday to Cam.
Tomei install on my birthday?
Yeah,
I'm
dude.
up for it.
Is it your birthday or my birthday?
Yeah,
'Cause I'm
it's
not
both
getting
of
the
ours. I
Tomei.
don't know, dude.
I
Fun
will-
drive home.
Yeah, I will have a fun drive home.
All right.
All right.
See ya.
Catch you later, dude.
All right.
So sick. Well guys, I'm gonna end this video right here. I really hope you enjoyed that. I feel like you did. I know I enjoyed it. I'm so hyped about this exhaust. I'll have more videos out on it soon. Also, if you're new here, don't forget to subscribe. We're trying to hit 10K. I don't know if we can get there by the end of February, but I'd like to. So that's a little ambitious, but I think we can do it. So I'll see you guys very shortly in the next video.